Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, put in 2 cups of rice bubbles. They're also called rice krispies. Then about 1/3 of a cup of banana flavoured milk powder. About 1/4 of a cup or so of icing sugar, confectionery sugar. 1/2 a cup of desiccated coconut. Now just give this a stir. We just want to combine this. Then get 125 grams of copha and melt it. Then we want to add this and some yellow food colouring, just to tint it a bit. Stir it through. Now get some cupcake or muffin trays with these little doobie whackers. Pour that in. Put as much of it in as you wish. Get these little bananas. Stick it in there. So just press this down to secure it. Just make sure it's not too hot. Alrighty then, just pop these in the fridge for a couple of hours to let them set and then eat. Yummy.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.